What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis. This is TWA Motorsports, and today it is a beautiful day. It's actually Christmas Day, and the weather is supposed to be like 70 degrees, which is crazy. That's kind of how it is here in Missouri. But either way, I thought today would be an awesome day to go get my grandparents and bring them over here for Christmas in the 55 Chevy. So we've got a whole bunch of family coming over. I figured it would be a cool time. The car is running. Now it's not running stellar. The brakes aren't super great, but it is running, and they have not seen it in person yet, guys. They have seen pictures, but they are pretty much the reason that I wanted a 55 Chevy. Like I told you guys in the past, and when I first showed you this car, my grandfather and my grandma bought this car brand new in 1955, drove it off the showroom floor. Now theirs was turquoise and ivory, where mine is turquoise and white, and theirs was a hardtop, whereas mine's a post. But either way, I love this car, they love this car, and I thought, what an awesome day to do this. So what I'm going to do is I've got a couple tripods set up. I've got one set up on the inside of the car, and then of course I've got one on the outside. You can see it on the glass there. So I figured when I got over there, I kind of can sneak around the back where they can't see me. I'm going to try to set the tripod up for when they come out and let you guys see their reaction. And then of course, it's not a real far trip for me, so I don't have to go, I think it's like 5 miles total. They live away from me. So either way, I think we'll make it. At least I'm hoping. So if we don't, then I will show you guys that as well. But I thought it, like I said, I thought it'd be really cool to see their reaction, and I think they'll be excited. So let's hop in this thing, see if it'll start up, and let's go pick them up. So as I said, this thing, it's not like tip top yet. We'll get there eventually, but it's such an awesome day. It is running. We're not far away. Let's just see what their reaction is going to be. I'm hoping they're excited, because like I said, they've not seen it in person. They've seen pictures, and I got the camera mounted as good as I can in here. I'll try to move it over on them when they get in, but yeah, wish me luck, guys. I'm telling you, because I'm more concerned with it making it there and back than anything. I'm hoping we don't have to get towed home. So we made it. My grandpa does have a camera up there, so he probably knows that I'm here and what I'm in. So that kind of sucks for the surprise, but I'm gonna try to set the tripod up, and we're gonna see anyway.
Look at here. Oh man, it's been a while since I had something.
Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this car.
Yeah, I figured it'd be a good day to drive it.
I love it.
You think we can all fit in here?
Yeah,
All right.
we can do it.
Now if it'll just start and get us home.
What?
I said if it'll start and get us home, that'd be good.
You don't think it will?
Well,
Oh, you got it looking so pretty. I love it.
yeah. Just hope it starts. It started.
It did.
It did.
Done a good job that time.
Isn't this nice? Oh,
It's hard to believe it when this old can look like that.
oh. He's got it so neat looking.
It's so weird that the reverse is down there,
I know it.
you know, and not second.
Yep. Oh, good grief.
We're on camera, Grandma.
We're
Yeah, I'm filming you. Don't say anything bad.
Oh, I love it. It reminds me of years ago when I used to drive ours.
Yeah.
And I could just shift that like anybody.
Oh.
That's all we were used to.
Yeah. It's got a big old steering wheel, you know.
Yeah.
It's like driving a bus.
Yeah, well, it don't need power steering that way.
It doesn't. You know, it steers better than some of the cars I have with power steering. It's crazy that it
Is
doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't have power steering at all. Look at how easy it turns. It's just.
Yeah. By coming. That guy's flying.
In a hurry.
Maybe going somewhere.
like this.
And I don't. Wouldn't want to mess it up. Just leave it alone.
I wonder who's living there.
I don't know.
I got my red shoes on.
I saw that. Your Christmas shoes.
Yeah, just perfect.
I got my Christmas watch on. It works pretty good. I figure out how you're supposed to read that date.
Yeah, well, I had to turn a light on last night to read it, so.
That thing is.
Built some sort of little. That's quite a place there. They've just made a junk hole out of that.
Yeah, they just keep making more, adding more junk once in a while.
It looks like
I
a,
really like that house
like a
though.
mini mall. Yeah, the guy who built that shop's the same guy who built mine. Built the shop.
Really?
Yeah, that's where I got his number.
Well,
So what do you think? You like it?
yeah.
Oh, I love it. I want it.
It's really dirty right now. It's been sitting and got all dusty, and
Don't even look dirty to me.
Yeah,
the inside's pretty clean.
it's got a little bit of dust on it, but that's about nothing. I don't know who you are, but
I don't know who lives there, do you?
you ain't no way either, but I guess he waved it to 55.
Yeah, a lot of people wave at a 55 Chevy.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yeah, her thumbs up, or it gets a lot of attention.
I bet it would. Well, they're worth a lot of money nowadays, ain't they?
Yeah.
Especially if it gets good in shape.
If you'd have bought 50 of them back then and just stuck them in your garage, they'd be worth a fortune right now.
Yeah, I bet it sure would. Whoever knew that, though?
Right?
They got their metal roofs on their houses. Well, they
Seems-
got a crowd.
Yeah, I noticed several people have people.
Yeah.
Of course, it's Christmas Day, so
I wonder if Weldy's is.
they probably go somewhere.
Yeah, but they are. Well, Mrs. Naylor is still alive and she's really up in years. I know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I notice now she's selling real estate.
Oh yeah. It's crazy that it's 70 degrees on Christmas.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
that don't happen very often.
Uh-oh, there's Mom and Dad right there.
They just got there.
That's them pulling in.
Pulling in up there now.
Oh. They sure built them a bunch of garages and stuff.
Yeah, he stays busy.
You may have to take me home after a while. I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't been doing very good like this for a while. I don't think I could even make it, but I got to feeling better, so we'll see what happens.
Okay.
What's trouble is.
I'm gonna have them take our picture.
Alright.
Well, guys, the day is over, and we got the 55 back here in the garage, but I will tell you guys that they were absolutely excited. They talked about it when we got in the house. They were so glad that we came, or I came and picked them up in this, and Yeah, that's, you know what, that was an awesome thing. I think they, like I said, I think that's something they'll talk about forever. My grandpa, I didn't even show you guys, but once I got out of the car, he just walked around just admiring it. He's just absolutely loves these cars. It's something that he's always loved. He's always had a passion for these cars. And like I said, talking about stories of him having a supercharger on his. Can you imagine a supercharger back in the day on these things with, you know, I'm sure that you could get a lot more out of these motors than obviously what my 2-barrel has. He had a 4-barrel and a supercharger, but I just couldn't imagine trying to get stopped in one of these that was any quicker than what we were going. The brakes are terrible. But either way, there is one other thing that I want to show you. My son's out here riding it. I hope I can catch it before it gets dark here. Let's go out here and take a look because it's kind of cool. I've got stuff jammed in here. We had to move stuff around because we had Christmas in our garage up top. So we moved some cars around, but check out my son's new ride that he got for Christmas. Hey, go up and down. I'm gonna film you driving your car. Yeah, I'm showing these people that you got a 55 Chevy too. And it's the same color. Yeah, everybody sees it. Look how fast it is.
Oh, it is fast. And he even burned rubber.
You're burning rubber?
Yeah. Look how big it is.
Look at that, same turquoise and white. Is it fast? What is it? 55 pedal car. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's something a little bit different, I know, than I do, but I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to bring you along when we went for a drive with my grandparents. Like I said, I think they absolutely love that. My son is loving his new little 55 pedal car. Kind of cool. I need to get some pictures of both of them side by side, my car with his pedal car. But if you did like this video, like always, please smash that thumbs up button. If you guys are not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button. Of course, ring the bell icon. That notifies you every single time we drop a new video. And stay tuned to see what we work on next.